Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our WH new 3x5 book. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing 2 parts 3 and 32 parts A. Let's assemble now. Taking a look on our parts 3, you'll see 8 corresponding holes in the middle on both sides. This is a repeating step, so what we do on the one, we'll be doing on the other. Let's proceed. For our next step, we'll be needing our previous part number 3, as well as 4 parts number 5 and 8 parts number B, our lockers. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Having a look at part number 3, you'll notice the backboard channel. When installing parts number 5, ensure the hole direction faces that way. Let's go ahead and assemble. For our next step, we'll be taking our previous assemblies, parts number 3, as well as 8 parts number B. Let's assemble now. Having a look at our previous assembly, we've ensured that the channel is on the bottom side. We've got our other part 3, we'll be lining up with the channel sides facing and locking with part B again. Let's assemble now. Parts B. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts number 4 and 8 parts B. Let's proceed to assemble. Remembering our parts from number 5, ensure that the whole side where the lockers go are facing this direction. So, same direction. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts 2 and 16 part A. Let's assemble now. In both parts 2, our outside holes. For our next step, we'll be needing our previous assembly as well as one of our prepared number 2s and 8 parts B and 8 parts C, our wooden dowels. Let's proceed to assemble now. Taking a look on the main assembly, we'll see there are additional holes in the middle here for our wooden dowel inserts. Let's proceed to insert those first. For our next step, we'll be needing 4 parts number 4 again and 8 parts B. Let's assemble now. When installing number 4, remember to ensure the holes face the same direction as the others. For our next step, we'll be needing our other side number 2, parts C, 8 of them, and 8 parts B. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Once again, wooden dowels in the middle. For our next step, we'll be preparing 2 parts number 1, our boards, and we'll be using 16 parts A. Let's assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing our previous number 1 and 8 parts C and 8 part B. Let's proceed to assemble now. Mindful when installing that our channels are on the same side. Let's insert the wooden dowels first. For our next step, we'll be needing 3 parts number 6, our backboard, and 6 part E, our feet. Let's assemble now. Okay. Next, we'll be installing part number 6. Ensure that the straps that bind the two is on the back side. For our next step, we'll be needing 1 part 1, 8 parts C, and 8 parts B. Let's assemble now. Our wooden dowels, for our next step, we'll be needing 20 parts D, our back braces. Let's assemble now. Our positions refer to our manual where they are positioned. For our last step, we'll be needing our parts F, our stickers. Let's assemble now. Having a look inside, we have to cover our lockers. Thank you so much for coming along with our assembly of our WH-new 3x5 book. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and more products. Thank you.